In your side, recording is showing here.
Yes.
Okay. And I'm visible and audible.
Yes, completely.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. So we can start now.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So, hi Shweta. Can you please, dear, introduce yourself first of all?
Yeah, sure. So, as you know, my name is Shraddha, and basically I'm from Banaras. And
Okay.
yeah, yeah, it's a little bit for me. So, what you do means like a full-time job or just what you do?
Actually, I'm doing a job, Shweta. I'm doing a job as an account assistant in a pharmaceutical company. And along with my job, I'm doing study also. I'm doing an MBA. My final year MBA is also going on. So I'm doing study and job, both of things. And what about you?
Okay.
Your study or you're doing a job?
Yeah, no, actually, I'm also working right now in a
Oh,
corporate, yeah, in a finance industry. Yeah.
okay, okay. In Banaras? You are in
No,
right
no,
now
no.
Banaras? Okay.
Yeah, right now
Or
I'm in
also?
Banaras just because of work from home. Yeah, and I'm working in a Gurgaon. Yeah,
Okay. Now is a Delhi?
yeah, you can see NCR. It comes under Delhi region, so it calls NCR. Yeah, but Gurgaon is separate. It basically comes in Gurgaon, Haryana state, not Delhi.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, it's like a in Delhi, connected with Delhi area. I
yeah,
think.
yeah. Also, yeah.
Yes, yes. So, like you are like working for their purpose. There you are there, like your family and all
Yes.
that people.
No, this is the only purpose. Actually, I went there for for the further studies, and after that, I got job. So I'm working right now there, and that's all.
Okay, okay. Because I'm from Banaras. Actually, I'm also from Banaras, but my father is working
Yeah.
in the Mumbai. So that's why we all
Okay.
are
Yeah.
like living in Mumbai.
Okay. Yeah. Actually, in your one video, I have seen, I have heard about that you are also from Banaras in Clappingo video, I guess, with Divyam. So I guess, yeah. So then I got to
Okay.
know that you are also from Banaras. So I was also curious to talk with you. That's all and nothing else.
Okay, okay. I was just thinking
So
some of the people are connecting with me I'm from Banaras, they are also Banaras. That's the reason.
yeah, it means yeah. Sometimes we have some curiosity to talk with people who belongs from our place.
Yes,
Maybe
yes.
that's the reason. Yeah.
Okay. So
So
what do you study here? In finance, graduation only or something else?
no, I have completed my masters, and then I prepared for the government examination, and also have learned some languages. Or then doing some private jobs like yeah, because
Okay.
yeah, because I don't want to waste my time to prepare for government examination. Side by side, I was thinking to do the job as well along with the preparation. That's the reason.
Okay, okay, that's very good. Yeah, actually, as you know, the pandemic is going on. We are the living
Yeah,
free time we have now, so we can utilize this time. Anything we can learn. I'm learning the English, you can say now the time.
yeah. No, that's the good thing. That's the good thing. Actually, you have so confidence that to talk to people, and this is a very good quality. I can say.
Yeah, actually,
And
you can say it's only become like a practice.
yeah,
Before this, I also fear how to interact with the people like you people, any stranger people. I have also the fear, but now the one is going on the 3 months, and now I become as my friend. Anyone I'm connecting with that person. I feel she or he is my friend. So at the
yeah.
present time, I don't have any kind of a fear.
That's a good thing.
Yes.
So, in which pharmaceutical company you are working right now?
It's a pharmaceutical like chemical, which we are providing some chemical kind of a product to the medicine company to produce a medicine. So we are just you
Okay.
can say the manufacturer of the medicine.
So recently that you started, or just it been so long?
No, no. At least I'm joined before the 3 month. You can say the April month, because before my company is different. It's a real estate company. So at the time there is a work from home is going on. So I don't like to work in the home because I was very feel bored to working in home.
Exactly. I must say one thing. I'm also like become exhausted, or you can say like so tired to work to do work from home. I really don't like. Or means I cannot say anything. I have no words to express my feelings. What I'm feeling right now at home, like logged something,
Yes.
cannot do anything. Like yeah.
Yes, yes. That's why I just try to change my job. As you not for like a salary purpose. I get a good salary, but I'm not enjoying myself. That's why I just changed my job only to go outside and work in like a in office. So that's why I just changed. And it's very near to my home. Half an hour I can reach my office. So it will be very easy.
So
Yes.
are you living in Mumbai, right?
Yes, yes.
So
Yes.
in Mumbai, where you live?
I live in Ghatkopar.
Ghatkopar. Okay. I don't know much more about Mumbai, but yeah, I have heard about from my family background. So I know some of areas like Worli, Mumbai, and Kalyan and all. Some 2 or 3 areas I know about.
Yeah. Yeah, Kalyan, Thane, you can say that it's a very famous, what do you say, like area in the Mumbai. So anyone people know about this. The BT also. BT is one of the, you can say, beautiful place to visit and see a good kind of places. That's why these all the area very famous in Mumbai.
Okay.
Yes.
So in from childhood you are living there, or after
Yes, yes.
completing your education? Childhood.
I
Okay.
born in Mumbai. I all the study completed in Mumbai. You can say born and brought up in Mumbai.
Okay. Great.
Yes.
So, okay. So, how many members in your family?
Presently, we have only the four members: my mom and dad, and my younger sister.
Great.
Yes. And what about you?
Yeah, yeah. We are also a four-member in my family, but actually, recently my brother got married, so we have a one added member right now.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
So,
So,
and yeah,
Shweta,
tell me about. Yeah,
no, no,
yeah.
I'm
Tell
just
me.
asking like why you like to connect with me. Like, okay, I know that I'm from Banaras. That's the reason you are connecting. Something else, you are the reason. You have the reason to connect with me, and you
No,
can give any kind of suggestion for improvement my English, because I saw you are the very good in English person.
no, no. This is not the reason. Actually, I watched some videos, like some clappingo videos, and I found you. And I watched the one video you're full with the Divyam sir. So just I got to know that you're from Banaras. I was curious to know about you and talk to you, and it would be beneficial for me as well with you. So that's the reason. And I'm also free on a Saturday, Sunday, so that's why maybe it will be some good to
Okay,
talk
okay,
with someone. Yeah, that's the reason, and
okay.
nothing else.
Okay, no, actually, as you know, because I'm making the video for the some kind of English conversation, and English something the people who know the English very well, so I get a good kind of suggestions. That's why I'm asking if you can give me the any kind of suggestion to improvement my English. Whatever the find
No,
you, I'm doing the mistake.
no, you are doing really a good job, and I cannot say because I'm also not as much as good that you are expecting from me. But yeah,
Okay.
it's a journey of English that I'm also improving my English, like you that you are doing, Jan. So it's not that I'm greater than someone. It's not like that. It's just
Okay.
yeah, it's just a path that you are going on, and I'm also going on that.
Yeah, but as what's your opinion about like English? Why it's very important now the time? Why the
It
people
is,
and the everybody is like giving the importance of the English more?
yeah, English. Yeah, it is important. I don't think it is um it is 100% important for anyone, but yeah, it is important. Just I'm working in corporate, so I can say there is a no chance to get hired without English. So yeah, for me it was important, and I know the importance of English in my corporate life. So I can say yeah,
Okay.
it is important. Yeah.
Yeah, that's actually my requirement, you can say, because I want to do a job in the MNC kind of company. Because of my
Yeah.
English, I will not. I was rejected. I was rejected 2 or 3 times. I can't say this, but I was rejected. That's why you can say that's my requirement, because of my qualification in this much. Like I'm doing the MBA. After the MBA, the people know. Okay, she is like get so much
From
of
which
degree.
organization? Okay, okay, okay. So
So that is why.
from where
What
you're
now?
doing MBA?
Um, you know the Walinkar Institute is a Mumbai.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
it's a very famous institute in Mumbai. So I'm doing the MA from the Walinkar. Yeah, you can because I know the English. Actually, I'm not speaking more. Na, that's the issue. I was not
Yeah.
you can say the good. So
It just it comes it comes just because of our surrounding peoples.
mhm.
So maybe this is the major, we can say this is the major loopholes. We cannot be
Yes, yes.
confident. Yeah, we cannot be confident, and we cannot be frequent to talk in English.
Yes, yes, exactly the reason the same in like you can say the family and all that. Because as you know, I'm belonging from the Banaras, so we can't speak. You can say the Bhojpuri and the Hindi language. Only the two language we are speaking all the time. So if I'm going to
Exactly.
speak in English, so they are like, oh my God, she become a madam and all that kind of. They are like
Huh.
telling. So
Correct, correct.
so
I also agree.
yes, so that's the reason I don't get like a partner to speak in English. So this is, I can say, I'm choosing this kind of platform who is eagerly like a conversation in English, who is a want to conversation. So this is a very good platform I got. So I speak every
Oh,
day with someone. So because
no,
I don't have an environment, so I create this kind of environment to speak.
no, that's the great thing, and I really appreciate your efforts. What are you doing right now? This is a great thing, and yeah. So,
Yes, this
yeah, tell me about your hobby and all. What do
uh,
you like to do
my
in your free
hobbies
time?
actually in my free time I love to listen a song 90, you can say the 90s kind of song, old song, not this kind of song. As you know, this type of songs lots of music and I don't like to listen that kind of song. Do you enjoy
Okay.
this kind of song? Do you like?
Yeah, no, actually, I like Punjabi Bhangra song because I love to dance. So that's
Okay.
the reason I love Bhangra. Yeah.
Yeah, some
Uh,
other person has some different kind of choice and preferences, but I don't like to like a dance, but I only listen the song and like you can say my hobby is to listening the song and watching lots of English conversation kind of video nowadays is going on my hobbies also. And whenever I just get a time to anyone, I just call and just speak in English. Nowadays it's all my hobbies is running.
yeah, and so you can say it's added in your hobby list. It's been added in your
Yeah.
hobby list, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Because the dear, what's the problem? Actually, I'm not doing a job, so I don't get a time to do any kind of hobbies. So I just do this kind of things to my hobbies.
So what's your shift timing for the job?
It's morning normal, 10 to 7 office timing.
Okay, no, actually I'm doing a night shift, so it's been so exhausted for me sometimes. I
Oh
had
my
text
God.
you in the early morning 4 a.m., right? I text you. So yeah,
Yes,
that
yes.
was the time I logged off my system and I got time, so I could text you. Yeah,
Okay, okay.
this is
Like a
very odd
night
time.
shift is a very difficult, in night time. It's very difficult, but because my brother is not staying with us, but because of their job, he's doing a night shift. So he is not live with us. So and he is doing this kind of like night shift 9 year. I was not like I was thinking how he do this kind of like job in
Night
night
shift
shift.
for 9 years. For
Yeah, it's
9 years.
almost nine. Yeah, 2013 he's doing. When I'm in the graduation, I think that times he's joined in that company. So almost, yeah, 9 years completed. To 2021 is
Okay.
going on.
Actually, I have intently chosen the night shift because I wanted to explore what actually happened in the night shift. So
So
I
what do you
joined.
find what you find happy thing and the difficult thing?
No, it's actually difficult, but it was not difficult in office, but at home it is difficult. It is difficult.
Yeah,
Yeah, I can.
you can't manage the household work.
Yeah. No, no, actually, I don't have to do anything here because mom and a new married bhabhi is here, so I don't have to do anything. But yeah, still everybody is sleeping, and I'm alone. I'm working alone, so I feel like I should sleep also.
Yes,
But
yes. It's not
yeah,
look good. Like everybody sleeping. Oh my God, when only I'm
yeah,
working.
yeah. And in office there is a circumstances and situation that everybody is working. So I don't feel that I'm only working here. So it is good in office, but not at home at all.
They're very bad. Because in you can say the initial time, my brother is also telling you can do a night shift. I was telling no, no. I like my
No, no.
you can say sleep time is more than like a job. I don't like to do a job in the night time. I earn money little bit, but I can sleep in night. You are like you can say the night owl, like the people is working.
Yeah, yeah. No, it's actually
Yes.
difficult. Now I'm realizing, and even my health is I cannot improve my health as well, and I cannot put on my weight because of night shift because I don't just a second. Yeah. So I cannot put on my weight. Everybody is commenting on me. You are still the same what you were in class 12th, and right now you are still the same.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
that's very good. Like you're not putting your weight like you slim
No.
and you.
So no, it's actually not good. I want to grow up. I just want to grow up because nobody take me serious actually, nobody take me serious. Everybody is feeling like that आप छोटे रहो. That's it.
Yeah, exactly. Sometimes it happened with me, but I'm not doing a job. But the people is who seeing me is you are just in the graduation kind of study doing. You're not that much study and
Yeah.
you're working. I'm not looking. That's why. Sometimes it feel
Yeah, you
like
also
we should people think we are mature and we are just in that age, but we are not looking
exactly.
like this. Yes.
Exactly. Exactly.
Yes.
And sometimes it becomes embarrassing. So
Yeah.
yes,
But
yeah. So
sometimes
I
it
think we
looks
should
so
grow up.
happy, like we are looking young.
Yeah. Yeah. But I won't put on my weight. I really want because my mother
Oh,
also want, and whenever she look at me, what she feel? कब मोटे हो गए ऐसे, कब मोटे हो गए, मतलब she want to see my like as a fatty, but what she, I don't know, मतलब she's like we can say na, she's passionate to see a fat me.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. That's hope so in future you will be very what you like to weight and all that you can gain after. But I don't like to put on the weight and all that. I look myself very well. Not to so you can say slim and not to so much fat. I fit and fine. You can say.
No, you also look like you. I can see that you have completed your graduation, because you also look like me, I think so.
Yeah. Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah,
Actually, I was thinking you are like you're in the student like a class 12th and graduation, but you are like a same.
seriously.
Yes, yes. Yeah, because
Yeah,
of the some face, you can say the face expression and all that. Like a face is not
yeah,
changing. Yes, you look like a very young kind of girl.
exactly. My school friends also can easily recognize me that it's me. What I was in class 12th, and right now I'm the same. I'm still the same. Nothing changed.
Okay. So you can
Yeah.
like take some kind of gym and all that thing, so you can put on your weight.
Yeah, I want, but my shift timing is very odd, so I cannot afford. Like, I wake up in the morning, like 11:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, and after that, got fresh and taking breakfast and all something. So it took 3-4 hours, and after that, 4:30, 5:30, my shift is start again. So I cannot afford time for the gym because it's very odd shift. That's why I am I willingly just want कि my office just should open so I can join the gym in office. So after completing my shift, I can do the gym, and after that I can go home.
I think I just suggest you just change your office timing. I think it's a very big problem. You're not putting
Yeah,
like you're not
yeah.
gaining your weight.
I also want, but you know what? Because of the pandemic, it's going so much crisis. So I cannot take risk for with my career now. That's why
Yes,
I'm not finding
yes.
any option for
Yeah,
me.
I know this is a difficult situation is going on, but when the situation is all the good, so you should have
Yeah.
like do this kind of decision and change your routine and all that. And I think this is the only the problem because in nights
Yeah,
it's very bad for health. Okay. So,
exactly.
okay, actually my charging is going on. You can say only
Oh,
the 10%. That's
yeah,
why
I
we
can
are not
see.
talking.
Yeah, I can hear the beep, beep, beep. Yeah,
Yes, 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 that's why. So, okay, so
yeah,
whenever you get a time, you just free. We can connect next Saturday also if you like. Okay, I'm
sure.
not forcing.
No, no, no. I would love to connect with you, Sonam. Don't think like this. I would love to connect with you. Yeah, so nice to talk with you. Thank you. Thanks to connect with me.
Thank you so much. I'm very happy to connect with you, dear. Hope so.
Thank
We will
you.
meet future.
Yeah,
Bye bye.
yeah, sure. Bye.